Hey guys, I'm about to cut my hair. Yeah, so as you know, I'm going through this little hair journey or whatever. This looks really yellow. Hold on. This looks a little better, I guess. So yeah, I'm about to cut my hair. As you know, I'm going through this whole little hair growth from the bald spot regrowth thing. So I want to cut my hair because I've been wanting to cut my hair and I've been saying it for a while. And then I want to cut my hair to start over. My hair is different lengths, and it's not intentional. So it's always been a little shorter in the front, but then we got it going here and then in the back. I don't even know if y'all can tell, but it's a little shorter in the back. We got little short joints right here, and I just want to cut it, get it all even, and then regrow. So that's the plan. I have my mirror to look at, just this three-way mirror, so I can see the back like that. A lot of my friends, not a lot of my friends, but some of them were like, go to a professional. But let me prop this real quick. When this is all the hair you have, this would be a waste of money to go to professional. So I'm gonna do it myself. My hair looks a lot fuller when it's in its natural state, but straight, y'all, it's like, where to go? Where my hair go? I got some scissors yesterday. And also I needed some new hair cutting scissors, so got those. I need scissors to get the scissors out. Who invented this? Okay. They're free. So we shall begin. Oh, that looks fuller already. I cut that side a little jacked. A little jacked. Should I go shorter or leave it here? Oop. See, that's messed up. Ah! Y'all, it's looking good. A lot fuller. I wonder if I should go shorter. I kind of messed up here, as you can see. As you can see. But if I cut that, then I have to cut that side. And then I'm just gonna start jacking it up. So I don't want to jack it up. Let's see. I'm too... The deed is officially done, y'all. We are officially cut. I'm loving it. I don't know if I'll cut it shorter in a few days, but as for right now, I love it. I like it a lot. My hair looks fuller. My hair looks just a lot better. And I saved money because that would have been a waste of money if I went to a professional. Sorry, professionals. I recommend going to professionals. I do go to professionals to get trims and stuff like that, but I just felt like this would have been a waste of money. But yeah, this is the finish, and I think it's so cute and it's flowing, and I like it a lot. I feel good. I feel like I haven't felt good about my hair in a while, so feels good. Yeah, it feels good.